So today I'm sharing my Sunday routine with you. My Sunday routine really lays the foundation for the rest of the week, and I found that my planner has made a huge difference in my ability to turn that routine into a habit, because I can check off each of the items in my planner and make sure that I'm completing each of the tasks in my routine. Since I started incorporating a Sunday routine into my schedule, I noticed that it really reduced my stress levels because it provides structure to my day, and also I know that everything that needs to get done is going to get done as long as I follow through and stick to that routine. In this video, I'm giving time ranges as to when everything gets done, but I don't follow these time ranges perfectly. They're just a suggestion for myself as to when things approximately should be done to keep me on track. I like to be flexible because I know that in life you can't predict what's going to happen. And if I have an event to go to on Sunday, then I shift the tasks that are part of my Sunday routine to separate days in the week. I'm intentionally starting this video at 9:30 a.m. because that's when my morning routine kind of switches over into my day routine for Sunday, and then the video ends at 6:30 because that's when my evening routine starts. So here is a behind the scenes look at what my Sundays are like.
On the run from a given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on.
After I get home from church, I eat lunch, and that's usually some variation of a spinach salad. Hi everyone, my name is Lauren, and welcome to my channel, Personalize My Planner. And then I film a YouTube video.
I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight.
I try to clean up right after the video is done so I can easily move about the house the rest of the day. And it also reduces my stress level if I see that things are put away. I like how I don't have to spend too much time on thinking about what needs to get done because it has become a habit for me. And it took a while for my routine to become a habit and to not have to think about it. But once it did, I really noticed an improvement in my productivity.
That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be.
I prepare my meals ahead of time because it minimizes the amount of repetitive tasks that I otherwise would have to do every single morning and every single night. Only cooking or preparing my breakfasts and lunches once a week reduces the amount of dishes I have to wash throughout the week also. I've also noticed that preparing food ahead of time prevents me from grabbing for something unhealthy to eat. These grab-and-go containers that I'm using for my lunch are really useful because they can be microwaved. By grouping the tasks into blocks of time on Sunday evening, I can get more done overall because I'm able to more effectively manage my time throughout the rest of the week because I'm reducing the overall amount of busy work that I have to get done. And then I try to wash the dishes right away after I'm done cooking just so the kitchen is clean and I don't have to see a big pile of dishes sitting there. I plan out what I'm going to wear ahead of time because I don't want to spend time every single morning trying to figure out what I'm going to wear. I want it to be quick so I don't have to worry about being late. I also like to prep my vitamins for the week. When my brothers and I were kids, we used to have to take Flintstone vitamins. Did any of you have to do that growing up? And then I plan out my week, and I go into detail about my planning process in my how to prioritize video, which I'll link down below for you. There are many successful people who have benefited from using routines. Benjamin Franklin, Winston Churchill, Beethoven, just to name a few. And I think they were onto something, because to me, routines help me to stay focused and to follow through on what needs to be completed. I hope this video gave you some ideas for using routines and using your planner to incorporate those routines in your day. And I'd love to know in the comments down below, do you use routines? And if so, what do you use them for? Maybe you have a morning routine or an evening routine. If you'd like to see more planner ideas, please check out my Instagram at PersonalizeMyPlanner, and I'll see you soon. Bye!
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you.